Bismillahirrahmanirrahim and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another video. So today we will discuss Python polymorphism. As most of us know, the word polymorphism means of many forms, but in programming it refers to methods, functions, operators with the same name that can be executed on many objects or classes. So an example of Python function that can be used on different objects is the length function. So now let's see an example how we can use this length function. So here we have an example of a string, Python string, on which we will use this length function. So we have a variable hello world which has total 12 characters. So when we will print this through length function, the output shows 12 because the characters of this variable are 12.